Hello everybody, Nick here at Scoggin-Dickey for SEMA 2021 coverage again. Now one of the things we like about coming out to these is of course seeing all the aftermarket parts and big builds, and of course there's off-road stuff, there's big block stuff, there's imports, but there's actually a lot of electrics this year, and we get to see over the years some of the new stuff coming out, like the C8 Z06 we saw at the Chevrolet Performance booth, or this is the Hummer, the full electric Hummer that we've been talking about for probably the past year. You've seen it in news, you've seen pictures, and you've heard about the crazy specs on this thing. What I like is that it's estimated at over 11,000 combined pound-feet of torque once you get it fully romped out. That is amazing, and that's actually what I like electrics for. Massive instantaneous torque for off-road in such a heavy vehicle. And believe me, this is not just something where it's some big luxurious SUV that looks really brutish and is actually just more to show off high dollar features, high dollar price tag, and the new EV culture that's showing up. Take a look at this thing over here. This is actually a full-blown off-road Hummer EV. Same stuff underneath, they just put it in this body with this crazy suspension. Now, if you guys like stuff like this, let us know in the comments. The EV stuff is picking up pretty big, and while it's not here to exactly replace some of the big blocks and turbo LSs that we all love so much, it's definitely here to stay, and it's definitely making a big change up here at SEMA. So let us know in the comments what you think. Give us a like, subscribe, and share, and we will see you guys in the next video.